Wondering how your team really uses browsers across your organization? The ChromeOS Readiness tool gives you full visibility with its Browser Insights feature, showing browser types, versions, and extensions in your organization in one central dashboard. With this insight, you can make the most of Chrome Enterprise Premium, built for modern workplaces where browsers are the gateway to work. Chrome Enterprise Premium protects your team from phishing and malware with real-time threat scanning, simplifies investigations with the Evidence Locker, and enforces smart policies like URL filtering and password protection. Accidental data leaks are prevented with its advanced data loss prevention tools. Managing devices is easier too. Chrome Enterprise Premium offers centralized device management, letting IT teams push updates, enforce policies, and monitor risky behavior across Windows, Mac, and Linux devices, all from one dashboard. Combine the ChromeOS Readiness tool with Chrome Enterprise Premium for complete visibility and control, turning your browser into a secure, productive workspace. Upgrade your enterprise defense today.